What's up, guys? Yep. I'm Simran from Action Fun channel. So, guys, I thought we should make something. Like I was just bored and just thought of making something cool, like a boat, like Lego. I have some Lego stuff in my room. So, guys, yep. Today we're gonna make what we are gonna make is a boat, fishing boat. Yeah, of Legos. Of course, like the sticks from Lego, but like the wires and hooks, that isn't possible to make out of Legos. So I'm gonna some Lego like thin line and then some hooks, regular fishing Chinese hooks, small as possible. Guys, what I do is I don't have time, so maybe divide it into two parts and then like this. So guys, first you take the board and like bam, grab all these pieces. You actually take them. So I'm not doing a vlog style, just put a glass type thing beside the camera. I not thinking. I just was like making a fishing boat. Suddenly it came to my mind, why not make a video? So yep, just attach it. And then I'm gonna attach all these blocks. I'm gonna see you back in a moment. So guys, yep, I set the blocks, and so yeah, I set down some thin pieces of blocks in the bottom. Then on the top I set on here, just set like a 2x4 red one and 2x3 blocks. This here I put like 4x1 and 1x2 block. Yep, the thin ones. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just 12 seconds left. Maybe in part 2. Till then, bye bye. And so it's not part 1, bro.